Today I'm going to show you a beginner's guide on how you can export or save in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. And first thing that we will do is that we are going to save our project right here. So let's say that you are done with editing and you want to save your project so that you can get back to it whenever you want. So you can just go here into File at the bottom, at the top left of your screen, and go into Save As. Right here, click on Save As, and then from here you can name your file whatever you want, and you can choose a location in which you want it to be saved. So in my case, I'll just be going for Documents right here, and my name is XXX and so on, and click on Save. And once you're done, click on Save. And now, as you can see, it already exists, so I'll just not go and cancel it. But in your case, you should click the Save button in order to save your project right there in your location. And after you're done with that, then you don't have to go here in File and click on Save As every time. All you have to do once you have already done this once is you can just click on Save once you want to save your progress in your editing right there. And yeah, once you know about that, and once you do that every time, then you would be able to save your project without losing any progress. And then the next thing is that when you want to export your video, so let's say you are done with everything and you want to export your video, all you have to do is go back into File and go here into Export and go into Video right there. And from here, all you have to do basically is name your file, so your file name and then your location where you want it to be saved, just as that, simple again. And for your preset, all you have to do basically is you don't have to touch this. You don't have to touch the preset. If you don't know what this is all about, then you don't need to know about it. And for the format, I recommend that you just select H.264 error time. And if you need other formats right here, then you can also do that. But you can research on other formats on what they mean. But if you're just posting in social media, then H.264 is the best one for you. And after that, you want to make sure that your video is turned on right here so that your export would have a video on it, and of course your audio so that it would have an audio on it. So if you just want to export the audio of your video, then you can just disable the video right here, right there. You can just disable, and then you could just go here into the format, and then you can go for MP3 right here, so that you would have an audio file. But if you don't want that, so if you want a video with audio, then you can go for H.264, just like this one. Make sure that your video and audio is turned on right here. And if you want to expand it, then you can see a lot of settings right here, but that you don't really need to mess with them. All you have to do is just leave it at default, and it's already good depending on your source. But if you want to change it, then you can just go and click it right here, and you can match source. So what this would do is that it would match depending on the source, or depending on the video that you have imported, it would match its settings right there. And for the audio and so on, it's basically the same. You don't have to do anything about it if you're still just a beginner. And your effects, make sure that it's turned on so that all the effects on your edit will be exported and so on, just like this one. So yeah, that is basically how you save or export here in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this video helped you out.